So like I said, the more milk you soak into this cake, I would ideally try to soak this entire mixture into these both cakes. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is, I have some whipped cream here. Okay, regular whipped cream. So like I said, your cream is sweet, your milk is sweet, your cake is sweet. So try keeping everything, balanced. I'll see if this can take some time. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is, I have the cream here. And naked cake. So okay, so I'm going to fill this cake with some mangoes. And now I'm going to top this with another layer of cake. Some more milk. So basically you're making a very nice looking dessert with very simple ingredients. I didn't use anything fancy, I didn't even use a nozzle, I didn't use anything that you might not have at home. So ideally what they do is, when the cake is still warm, you take it out of the oven and it's still warm, and for a tres leche you bake it in a bake and serve kind of a mold, or like a bowl, and you bake it in that, and then when it's still warm, you drizzle your milk all on it, you keep it in the fridge for 1 hour, and then the cake will set properly with that milk. Then you top it with whipped cream and then you serve it. That's how it's originally done. If you have more time, you can just wait and then keep soaking more milk. जितना ज़्यादा milk होगा इस cake में, the tastier it's gonna be.
Whipped cream, non-dairy cream?
Yes, this is non-dairy. Actually, you don't get very good quality dairy whipping cream in India, sorry. So that is why most of the cream that you get is non-dairy. But I think if you use the dairy ones, you get an even better taste. I think it's best. Actually, what happens is, the non-dairy ones is more stable than the dairy cream.
Because of the heat also.
Yes, so that is why a lot of
Sometimes it whips into butter.
Yes, so that's why it's always safer, and it's cheaper also. So most of the restaurants they use. Converted it into a modern Indian kind of a dessert. Okay, so that is it. It's a very simple recipe. Thank you very much for being so patient. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to just run through what I did. So we basically took a vanilla sponge cake, okay, and then we made a milk to soak. Milk में हमने 3 types के milk products use किए. We used ice cream, good quality vanilla ice cream. Then we used condensed milk and we used regular milk. Now the regular milk should be of course more than the other 2 kinds of milk products, because the other 2 are sweet. So you need to make that kind of balance. To that we have added some cardamom powder, You can also add, you should actually, if you're making it at home, add some saffron soaked milk and add a little bit of rose water. Okay, and then you soak this into your cakes nicely. The more the better. Cheese was raw, so I'm going to use that boursin and make an appetizer for you guys. And since I'm a certified food stylist, presentation plays a very important role in my life. I will do my best to do a nice plating because we eat through our eyes. So visually the dish has to stand out. Then only we will be attracted towards healthy eating, right? So let's focus on that. So here, this lovely guy, what's your name? Pradeep. Pradeep helped me make the shapes of these vegetables. So I've got zucchini, shaved zucchini, thin strips. So you don't need fancy tools or gadgets here.
We're trying to watch the.
Okay. 1 minute. Yeah, come on.
So you don't need fancy tools or gadgets. You just need a very simple peeler. So he used this simple peeler to make the shavings of zucchini, carrot, cucumber, 2 colors of zucchini. Another, I'm a whole food plant-based chef. So when we say whole food plant-based chef, our ideology is that we do not even peel the vegetables. Why? The nature has designed certain things in such a way that we should not be peeling certain vegetables at all because the vitamins are underneath the vegetables. So if you want to eat raw food, you have to first of all buy organic as much as possible. And second thing, if you are still getting non-organic, that's fine. Wash it, soak it in cold water for quite some time, and then first of all you make the vegetable very crunchy. Taste wise it also improves the flavor, and second thing, like you're eating healthier stuff, right? So here we have shaved carrot which was unpeeled. Okay, so my voice is loud. I'm going to put the mic down and I'm going to just explain what I'm going to do next. I've got cheese here, shavings and a spoon. This boursin was already seasoned. It has salt, it has herbs already, so I don't really need to add anything here.
Can you elaborate about the cheese that you're using?
Yes, so there are like 3 types of vegan cheeses in the market available, which are again made by me and supplied by me. I focus on making one cooked cheese, which is mozzarella, cheddar, vegan cheeses, and the second option is tofu based cheese, and the third option is nut free. When I say nut free, I use only vegetables and make cheeses out of that. There are a lot of people, especially in the Western world, when you travel, the disclaimer is everywhere. If you have nut allergy, don't buy this, don't buy that. So I have come up with the nut-free vegetables as well. So 3 types of cheeses are available. Now this boursin is made. Boursin is a like French tangy cheese. So it has got herbs inside. So what are the local herbs were available? Like thyme, rosemary, basil and parsley. So I've combined these 4, finely chopped it and mixed it with that. So this cheese was quite tangy. It has to be, it is supposed to be tangy. So I'm just making rolls. And when I do plating, I'm always mindful that my number of rolls or whatever I'm putting it has to be in odd numbers. That is more visually appealing and people appreciate. So that's the styling rule. When you style your food, don't keep 2, don't keep 4, don't keep 6. Keep 3, 5 or 7 or 9. So I'm basically just rolling it. Now, let's say I collaborate with an organization called Sharan. We reverse lifestyle diseases through food. Our aim is to offer people oil-free, sugar-free and dairy-free. Now, I'm demonstrating one cheese recipe and you will say, I don't even know how to make cheese. So how can I even move forward? So please visit Sharan website. You will get those recipes free. Everything is available on Sharan website. And we conduct cooking classes. I am conducting cooking classes in Chennai on regular basis. We have people on board who had diabetes, cholesterol and other health issues,
and they were completely like, now they are completely diabetes free, BP free, cholesterol free, thanks to this kind of lifestyle. So if any questions or any queries you have after the session, we can talk, or you can WhatsApp me, or you can visit the website and find out more details about it. So I'm sticking to the number 3. So I want to have 3 yellow rolls, 3 green rolls. I'm using only Boursin here, no other cheese. Because it's a raw dish recipe, I don't want to add mozzarella because mozzarella was cooked. Now let's say if zucchini is not in season, we can use cucumbers, carrots. We can use in fact beetroot also, and you can eat raw. So I'm almost done. So I've got 3 green, 3 yellow, and I'm going to make 3 orange ones. We want the colors, right? Okay, now this 3 I'm going to fill it with beetroot hummus. So can anyone tell me how to make beetroot hummus?
The white chana.
Okay, that's a traditional recipe.
And beetroot you.
So when I say raw, we sprout the
Chickpea.
chickpea. Yes.
Raw beetroot.
Raw beetroot, excellent. Garlic, lemon juice, and no oil. When we say whole food plant based, no oil at all. So one very important ingredient, the healthy fat comes from
Avocado.
sesame. Excellent. Who said this? Excellent. Trust me, raw food tastes as good as any other cooked food. So right now, my 9 rolls are done. Very colorful. I want my plate not like look also like simple, not very basic, not very flashy. So if you have white simple plate, that's great. Okay. So I'm going to now take this roll and start. So olive is black. It's all about textures, colors, no time. So you always cut it fresh. And I'll just sprinkle.
Yeah, one more. Jasmine. Jasmine, please. One more.
The session by DT as well as we've had 30 groups already who no, actually 15 groups have already completed their round. So this is the next set of 30 of us will complete. I hope you had a good workshop with DT as well as Chef Denima. We will get started now. Has everyone looked at the pantry area and the ingredients area? Excellent. So at about exactly 3 o'clock, 3:10 is when we will start our cooking. It is a strictly 45-minute cooking round. So in the next 10 minutes from 3 o'clock, you're free to either disperse. One person can go here, one on the other side. You've seen the vegetable boardroom as well. So you can gather your stuff. You can use one of your pans to collect stuff, and then you start cooking at 3:10. Right? So you start cooking at 3:10 and it stops in 45 minutes time. After 45 minutes of cooking, you will have 5 more minutes for plating. Right? So it's full 45 minutes for cooking and then 5 more minutes for plating. During plating, no one cooks. Right? If you cook during plating, that's not counted at all, so you might have your marks deducted. We wish you all the best. When you have any questions, let us know. I think we have one person for every table literally. Those many number of people we have to help. So anything that is required, we can always get for you if it's not already there. But the idea is to try and search yourself because everything is there. You just need to spend some time to look at the ingredients you need. Please name all your dishes. At least have a name in your mind. When we come over after the thing, you will be able to introduce your dish with a specific name. And then we have 4 judges, actually 5 judges today who will have different criteria to judge each dish. Any other questions you can, yes, absolutely, it's open. The first 10 minutes is just so that you can go and get yourself, but at any point of time you can, you can keep going and coming, there's no restriction.
If you use any kind of paste, would that be considered pre-cooked or something?
You'll have to make your paste.
Yeah. Suppose I'm making a paste, but I'm just
Oh, absolutely fine. If you're making your paste, no problem. In fact, if you're going to get all the ingredients and make a paste, we have the blenders also for you. You can make a paste. That's no problem. Take it easy for the first 10 minutes, get all your ingredients, and then you start. I think we can start now itself. Yeah? At the 3:10 we start cooking. One corner of the table. Please put all the unused fruits and vegetables. Please clear your table, and we have people there to help you in case you want to clear it. Someone have a toothpick? Anyone have a toothpick? So I'm counting down: 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48,
okay.
47, 46, 45, 41, 22, 19, only 15, no, just 15 seconds after the vote. Only 14 seconds left. 10 seconds before you stop cooking. We have only 9 seconds left. 8 seconds now. 7 seconds. And everyone stops cooking when it reaches 0. So we have 6 seconds left. 5 seconds left. And you can play after this. So we have 4 seconds left. We have 3 seconds left. 2 seconds left. 1 second left.
He's got the blowtorch.
And time is up for cooking. Please stop cooking now. Please stop cooking now. And you can do your plating for the next 5 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. So plating after that will not qualify. So you have 5 minutes left. So you can share your okay, so you have less than a minute left.
One more.
Now, right? So, everything up now, please clear up the plate.
What is this?
It's red panther pasta. It's penny and baby.
So you've sauteed the apples properly.
So who inspires who? Younger sister?
Always with that.
It's a vegan dish.
Thank you so much.
It's very tough.
Expecting it to be different? No. So everything is the same, just the basis. One of the bases, two different bases. Both, in your opinion, both are good pairs.
So you're related?
Sister? So the Chinese once the scoring is done,
I know.
What inspired you?
other mushrooms, tofu, and other vegetables. The white Mince has a lot of possibilities. Like this and
First we thought of stuffing it in a bun and like ball and stuffing it.
then last one not
All three are the same filling.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
and then blue
Macaroons.
Typically, these macarons are served coconut hummus. And below this is basil and mint hummus.
So how did you make coconut hummus?
I made a basic hummus in that I like to add some coconut oil and this coconut chicken.
Coconut flakes. On the fresh coconut.
On the fresh coconut. Garlic bread inside.
Yes, enjoy.
So how are we supposed to start our course? Which yogurt you use? Combining salad and everything, it's a good combination because the salad needs something to cut down the grease, which comes from tofu and sauce is very nice.
It's peanut butter, sweet chili sauce, maple syrup, and salt, pepper, lime.
Just a suggestion, if you are keeping this and this, to me this is a starter, okay? And salad can be a good idea. Having this mashed is totally unnecessary because that leads to confusion. So what is millet here? Actually we wanted to use pearl millet. Foxtail millet and jawar flour. We make kalakras with that, with till live we added little gold and little of and red chili flakes. Yes. उसको तवे पे बनाते हैं.
ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡುವಂತೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್
On the tawa. And this is vegan cashew cheese.
What filling, what dressing you have eaten?
Here I use butter and coconut milk, garlic, ginger, and little bit of lime zest and lime juice.
And then
Red pepper.
ಯೋಸಿக்கிறேன் ಪೂರ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಸಮಾವೇಶ
There's no we plant beetroot. So with that liquid, we made this. We didn't want to waste that. Good idea.
so mix corn flour and a little herbs and
You can live with
that's the way of
So the base was made with
ഇങ്ങനെ തട്ട് കവറാവും
What have you guys done? What's going on?
So this is sort of smoothie bowl, but we added like the yogurt and parts, which made it so fun. And we added dates for sweetness. We put sugar on the top and we blow torched it to get that taste. What fruits? So we added banana, pineapple, mango, and added walnuts.
Say again, tofu.
Mashed. And which is sun-dried tomatoes and lemon. And we've added a little bit of salad. Get that sweet. We have this is a complimentary thing to this, so in case and this is just a refreshment along with the
Cut the richness of the sauce. This is
whose idea was this? And this one also kind of marinated with chili and
What have you named it?
pineapple salsa this one. And this one is cashew cream.
Supposed to accompany some other dish or by itself?
This one is soup.
A cold soup.
Cold soup. It's typically a summer dish, so we use summer ingredients, cucumber, and
It's a very famous Gujarati, like how you make polenta in Mexico, it's Gujarati, very famous. And we made it innovative with the stuff, with the garlic chutneys and
How did you make dhokla? Please explain again.
it activate only with the sugar.
Fermentation is an excuse, right? Gujarati food, so that has to be there.
No, but this is instant based, no?
No.
So instant here, that's a low cost.
No power.
It's a vegan.
It's only like water.
And ginger and
So you don't get any sauce or nothing.
Very less. Because it's good.
See, when you are not confident, never serve. What is this?
This peanut butter and vanilla extract of
You have a lot of raw at home.
That's when people didn't even know what vegan is.
They all thought I was mad. My family got us completely on Kirti.
But in fact, talking about to be vegetarian or not vegan.
Why do you make have been predominantly vegan? Okay, because you'll have one cow at home if you're a little veg. I come from a Syrian Christian family from Kerala. So I was a hardcore non-vegetarian. 3 meals a day will be meat or fish. And I would refuse to. Mommy, you haven't called me, I'm not coming to the dining table. There's, if there is no meat or fish, I will not come. Our dishes, it's wonderful.
So I travel to Kerala very often, every second week I'm there for 3-4 days.
SC1717 and SC707. Alright, so all of you, 13 of you are the finalists, and balance rest of you, you are all amazing chefs, yes. Okay, you will be getting a participant certificate and also you will be getting some goodies, okay. So please stay back and get all the participation certificate and goodies. Alright, so the finalists, you better get ready, alright, okay. Finalists, can I hear some noise? Let's make some noise. Alright, amazing, okay.
We're going to have the final round, which is a very exciting round. At the same time, a bit challenging because we want to keep the final one, the award to go to the the most deserving. In many ways, all of you deserve, awards for what you've done. But unfortunately, we have two people we have to choose eventually from. So this box is, this round is a little different. It's unlike the previous round, obviously, where you will have a box which is going to be a surprise for everyone, including me. Actually, even I don't know what's inside the box. Only I think Naren knows what's inside the box. So he'll explain you how to go about this round.
Congratulations on the winners. No problem. Okay, so this is the secret 6 round out already. So banana stem, raw jackfruit, sweet potato, rajgira atta, and foxtail millet. Foxtail millet is quinine and red rice. Red rice is cooked for us. Already red rice is cooked, so you don't need to worry because red rice takes 40 minutes of soaking time, so it's cooked for you. Okay, to make a porridge out of it, cook more. If you're making it like a fried rice or something for instance, you don't need to cook anything further on that. The millet is not cooked, rice is cooked. Yeah, millet is not cooked, rice is cooked. Millet is a very quickly, okay, it cooks very quickly, the millet. So this millet we don't need pre-cooking. Okay. Millet is not cooked, red rice is cooked. Okay, millet is not cooked. Millet can be cooked in a few minutes. It's a Indian quinoa. Okay, so you clarified, right? No, you have to use any two of this ingredient as a base ingredient. Yeah, it has to play a role in your dish. Okay. No, one dish has to be, you have to incorporate 2 ingredients to it.
Minimum or maximum?
Minimum of 2 ingredients. Okay? You can use 6 if you want. Okay?
How many dishes do you use?
One dish.
Only
one dish more?
I need 1 dish. You make 2 dishes, it's your caliber. Okay?
And we can use anything else.
Minimum we require is 1 dish, okay, with incorporating 2 ingredients, and these 2 ingredients should play a major role in that dish. That is sweet potato.
Yeah, we can get more of this.
Yeah, you can take more of this. That is just a sample, right? The jackfruit is it's a master in this ingredient, whole secret 6. So if somebody is trying to use that, it's a very good thing. And rocks, banana stem. The pantry is open for you guys anyway. You can use all the other stuff from the pantry. Okay, you've got 5 minutes. 5 minutes for you to think about the dish. 5 minutes for you to think about the dish. Okay. Now we are starting by 5:40. 5:45 your time starts to make the dish.
It's very difficult to
No,
do.
you have
Sweet potato boil.
No. It could.
You have red rice powder, or we can use the pulsar.
Is jackfruit cut away?
Yeah, because
Jackfruit is not cut, available cut. And the other question is?
Is the potato boiled?
No, potatoes are not boiled. Potato boils quicker, that's why there is 1 hour cooking time in this 55 minutes of cooking and 5 minutes of plating. Okay, and 5 minutes of thinking. You can decide what you want to do.
Just to clarify, this is not a vegan or a raw round necessarily. Up to you. You can make it a vegan dish, a veg dish, or a raw dish. Depends on you. The idea is it's a traditional ingredient round, which is why we are saying that at least 2 ingredients from your 6 have to be used in the event. Now we have 10 minutes to think of the dish and take the stuff from the pantry. Time starts now. So we start cooking at 5:50.
This round is
5 more minutes of cooking time.